That's what's holding it. It's moving a little. You can see it over here. Daisy, come on. I seen it shift and then a piece cracking. Here it goes. Oh, there it is. Look at it. Oh, stopped it. Yeah? That's the name of this vlog, iceberg calving in Michigan. This is Daisy's first official boat ride. She was on my grandpa's pontoon in Irish Hills, but we were like holding her and she was a puppy and everything. It's her first real like outdoor adventure with us, boat ride.
Yeah, I got reverse, so just
Ready?
Go, go.
How is it, boobs? You like it? We launched at Dodge Park. It's right next to 75. It said it's supposed to be like 40 degrees today, but it's cold. We're gonna hit an iceberg. Ice. We just smoked the iceberg. There's ice up here. Oh, oh. Good girl. Good. Ice right there to the right. Can't even see it barely. It's like right there. You're good. Easy. Went from snow to rain in no time. Ready, boobs? Let's go. Hey, caramel, marshmallow, regular. Wait, what do you want? Do you want something?
The menu right there.
Daisy, want a coffee? This way. Mark hooked me up with a chest strap for Daisy. It has the camera on it, on the back, and you put it on the chest. Watch that while I talk with him for a second. Sorry if the view isn't that good. I have to adjust the straps, but I'm just testing it. Daisy, hey, come here. I need to get the straps correct, but I'm just out testing to see how it works. So, Daisy's filming today's video, so all this awesome cinematography is all thanks to Daisy. mochaccino. The moke. We actually have a dog customer waiting in line.
Do that. I know chocolate's not good for dogs.
Okay, you gotta go.
Go ahead.
Let her. I even have a.
I'll just drag it onto your home screen
Okay.
and I'll leave it for you.
Okay. Perfect.
It's bright as fuck, dude.
Where's time issue?
You're gonna get us killed.
Definitely thorns.
Come on, David. They plowed it. Trees still there?
Yeah. All the tree groups are right there still.
Our trees?
Yeah, look at the trees right there.
Those are our trees.
These are our trees right here.
Either way is hard. That's even hard down the road. That grew over so much we don't even have our own old trail.
There you go.
Ooh.
Getting his zip.
Did you really? Let me see. What did you choose?
Look.
You stepped in a whole puddle.
Damn.
Jesus.
What the? This is going to the
You fell in. Go. Alright.
That's like 4 foot deep. Back up. Thorns and water.
Thorns and water.
Yeah, we gotta find another way. Go that way. Trailblazing, this is too.
Where you going, Anthony? Nobody can see. Hold on, wait. Damn. The clearing. You guys. Yo. Hey. No, we're splitting up into teams. This is how you catch ghosts. All right, you're here with Team Alpha on the trail of the witch. Here with ghost expert Cassie.
Can't see anything.
Stay to the side. What are you expecting to find out here, Cassie?
Like some crackers or something.
Some really?
I thought we were gonna find something.
What are you?
Someone just threw a
Somebody
fucking
threw
stick
shit
at my
at her.
face. And I know it was you.
I thought it was Kevin.
What are you talking
I
about?
think
Kevin wouldn't do it.
it was Nick.
Dude, I was standing right now. Yeah,
It was definitely Nick, because he's looking at me like a goofy ass fucking.
Someone threw a stick?
Stop throwing shit at me.
It was the Blair Witch.
I'm not throwing shit at you.
I swear to God and everything.
Daisy, what is it? Daisy's onto something.
Oh God.
Well,
Dude, I thought it was a bug.
Something.
I thought I heard something scream.
You heard something scream?
Everybody's talking.
Shh, shh, shh.
I'm gonna be pissed.
That is him. No, he's not here in a big yellow work truck.
I'm gonna crash right into it.
Please ram that thing into the goddamn riverfront.
What is that? Is that yours? Is that yours?
Hey. Hey. It's attacked Howie. How you been, Howie, sir?
A bunch of wood ready to burn at my house.
We're gonna have campfire. I seen your new place. Anthony showed me. It's sweet.
30 chickens.
What?
Wait, 3
4
pigs?
ducks.
3 pigs and 30 chickens?
Yeah.
Piggies. Oh, you have a pond?
Mm-hmm.
To edit all that out because I think that's illegal.
Is it? He didn't do that. It was already like that.
All right.
Don't let that motor hit.
At the Jefferson boat launch, Anthony insisted we take the boat out today. It's like windy, it's snowing, it's like 30, well obviously it's 32 degrees, it's snowing.
Anthony, tell you I'm trying to revive the Lake Superior bike ride.
What do you mean?
Our bicycles to Lake Superior one time.
No, all the way up north?
Yeah.
I think people do that. Don't those bikers do that?
I'm sure they do, but
Like they ride up to Mackinac, race the boats because people boat up to Mackinac.
No, I know. People ride their bikes across the Mackinac Bridge. I think they-
Sailing like a boat
Yeah,
race
yeah, yeah.
up to Mackinac, and then I think people ride their bikes up to Mackinac like a race. Don't quote me on that, but I think I read that somewhere. Daisy, come on! Let's go! No, this way! Good girl. Huh? She likes everything. She's outdoorsy. Ready to go on the boat?
She started swimming.
Damn! Things are giant now.
I know. They were like this high out of the water before. Are you cold? My hands are.
Oh! Anthony, the back! Go on, Howie, duck.
Hold it down.
You're not going. Daisy, duck.
We can make it.
Dude, we have it. I think we have it.
You're not. You're like 6 foot tall.
Yeah.
Go closer. We have it.
Go, we got it.
The water level rises on the other side. Stop.
Drag it across the road. Oh my god.
Dragging it across the boat launch.
What?
That guy was like he came
No.
in. His boat was like probably like from here to there. Came in with a half sank. There's beer cans everywhere, and then he kept crashing his trailer into this pillar.
No.
So then he just hooked up the string, drug it across the parking. I got the video.
No. Was he drunk?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
He annihilated. Oh dude.
We're definitely following Howie on his fixing up his
Oh,
property
and this is total like
this summer.
the guy I bought the house from shot the neighbor's dog.